things to share with you. A few months ago, I've decided to expand my business to South Okanagan area. I had a client who bought a vacation home in Osoyoos and she asked me to design and renovate it. That's how everything started. We came to Osoyoos to renovate this house and I fell in love with the city and its beautiful nature. So I decided to expand my business. It was a lot of work and it took a lot of planning. That's why I was very busy and focused on my business, so I didn't have time to take any videos. I always take a lot of risk in my life and this was one of them. Now let me show you what we did in this house. This is a vacation property and my client didn't want to spend a lot of money in this house. The house was dark with very small kitchen and popcorn ceiling. We removed the kitchen wall and created an open concept layout. I have changed the kitchen layout to be able to add a big huge island in the middle. The appliances were not too old, so we kept them, and we just bought a new hood fan to match with the rest of the appliances. Since this is a vacation property, me and my client decided to go with very unusual finish for a kitchen cabinet. The matte navy blue cabinet doors, the finish feels very soft and velvety, and we paired it up with the brushed gold accessories, and voila, this is what you see, and this is the result. On the other side of the living room, I added this electrical fireplace with a TV on top of it that family can sit around it and enjoy their time together. We also renovated the bathrooms. Let me show them to you very quickly. The bathroom has gorgeous vanities and they're very pretty, and the fixtures are very pretty as well, and they complement the house. We also designed this game party room for the family to play and enjoy their time together and have lots of fun. You know, at the end of the day, nothing is better than going in a hot tub with a glass of wine and just relax. So we added this concrete patio and added a fence for adding privacy and installed the hot tub. I love this city and I will be taking more projects here and I will definitely share them with you. Stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video.